wrote down this time. I wrote down this question that were asked on WhatsApp, and the first question, this was very interesting question. So it says, how do we know that we are worthy enough to be called righteous converts? And second part of the question, how do we know when we reach this level? So how do you know? So to be a righteous convert, so convert, you usually it's when we say somebody is convert, it's after a person who was converted. So that's this question would apply for Jews and non-Jews. Right? So not only to somebody who converted. So I would say let's start with this. Right? So a person is always like should not consider him or herself righteous, because you don't know. Like people fall. People go on top, and then they fall like very low because of the arrogance, because of all of this ego, because all of this crazy, all of the temptations. You understand? So we always try to be humble and always try to build up, right? But how do you know with the potential convert? That's the person who is planning to go through the conversion is righteous. That's a different question. So first of all, a person, he or she must ask themselves why I'm doing this, right? So if it's ulterior motives, and sometimes there are, many times there are, many times there is a ulterior motive. So they want to get married, they want to be accepted in a community, because and that's the reason why there is no conversion in many Latin American countries, right? That's the reason. So the Jews are usually the most successful, or in Mexico, right? There is no Beis Din in Mexico. There is a Beis Din that comes like in hidings. They do the cases between the Jews and they leave. That's it. Or Jews go like abroad. They go to US, to different countries. Why? Because they say, look, in order for us to convert we must have a Beis Din. We don't have a Beis Din. That's it. What a word from us. So because why? Because many people want to convert for this reason. So if a person becomes a Jew, so now you're obligated to support him, try to get him in job and stuff like that. So that's ulterior motive. Somebody wants to get married. So and I talked to somebody just recently. This lady, non-Jew, she wants to get married to this rich Jewish guy. I mean, it's obvious. So I asked her a few questions. So she's not interested in Judaism. She's interested to make his mother happy. That's it. Unfortunately. So that's the thing. So always like think why exactly I want to convert. So if I want to do convert because Hashem said so, I mean because Torah is true and I want to fulfill Torah, the word of Hashem, on the highest level possible, and I cannot do it as a non-Jew. So that's you know that you're on the right level. And about the levels, so somebody like complained to me just recently. Person wanted, I don't know, say what bad to do bad things to themselves. I say, you normal? That's a normal for a Jew. Like a Jews, it's like a moon, right? The moon goes like sometimes it's a thin moon and sometimes it's a huge moon. Like whoa, that's so light outside. Why? It's from the moon. That's our life. Sometimes we go down, sometimes we go up. But just because we're down does not mean that we're going to stay down. You understand? That's a Jewish ideology. Just because I'm down and all circumstances against me, it looks like it's never going to finish. Guess what? It's going to finish. So Baruch Hashem, that person listened to me and deleted all of the stupid messages. Not stupid. I understand. Like all of this, like terrible messages. I mean. That this person was going through, but sometimes you need somebody to remind you like this situation is going to end. Sooner or later, it's going to end, right? So just because somebody would reach low level, Satan would come to the person. Jew, not Jew, doesn't matter, right? So he would come and say, look at you, you're such a loser. Look, you could not remember this Boruch Hamav Ben Kodesh. One sentence you could not remember. One sentence, like, look at you. So, and just be prepared. That's what Satan is going to do. Or Satan would dress into different people. And you see this Rebbetzin, she's with a curly wig, and then she would tell all these speeches and stuff like that, and then she would embarrass you. How, what, you didn't read Chofetz Chaim, Miss Rebbetzin? Why you insulted me, right? So it's, people take it very personally, very to heart, and it's absolutely wrong. Right? Just remember, we stick to Hashem and do what He wants, and the more we learn Torah, the more we know what Hashem wants from us. It's very simple, right? As Rabbi Reuven Shlita always say, we don't learn the Torah from the Jews, right? From Jewish behavior. We learn Torah from the books. Okay.